If you're skinny, love Chips Ahoy, and love protein shakes, then this video is going to get really interesting for you. What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. I hope you guys are having a great day and staying safe. So if you're a skinny guy like I am and you're trying to build size and weight like I am, then this video, you're gonna love this video, man. You see, us skinny guys need to be eating a lot of calories, you know, 3,000, 4,000, even sometimes 5,000 calories a day to gain weight and muscle. And eating it all through food is quite hard. It's not easy. So in this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to make this delicious Chips Ahoy 1000 calorie protein shake. Really easy ingredients, really easy to make, and absolutely delicious. And yes, you do gain weight. I have this about 3 times a week. I used to look like this. Now I look like this, saying about 160. So I went from 120 to 160 now. So it's good stuff. It works. So if you're trying to gain weight, build muscle, and overall look bulky, then this 1000 calorie protein shake is the one. Let's get into it. Let's get started. All I ask in return is a like and a subscribe. That's all. Let's get into it. So the ingredients for this shake is very simple, very easy. It's only 5 and they're really cheap to get because they're available everywhere. And these ingredients are whole milk, Chips Ahoy, cookies and cream ice cream, chocolate whey protein, or cookies and cream whey protein. If you guys have that, even better, and peanut butter. Now, before we go ahead and blend things, we're gonna do one thing. We're gonna get a Ziploc bag and put not 1, not 2, but 3 Chips Ahoy in there. And we're gonna get this hammer looking thing. And if you guys don't have this looking thing, just get a hammer, whatever, or anything that's heavy duty that you guys can smash with. And we're just gonna go ahead and smash. At the end, when it's smashed, it should look something like this. Kind of like a powder Chips Ahoy, you can say. Now, it's time to proceed to the blender, and these are the measurements. First, we're gonna put 1 whole cup or 250 milliliters of whole milk in there, and this has about just north of 150 calories, 8 grams of protein, 12 grams of carbs, and 8 grams of fats. We're gonna put 3 Chips Ahoy in there, so overall we use about 6 Chips Ahoys here. I'm just gonna put it all together in this macro in calories, and this is about 2 grams of protein, 44 grams of carbs, 16 grams of fat, and 1 gram of fiber, which is kind of surprising. Total of 328 calories. After that, we're gonna put 100 grams of cookies and cream ice cream in there, and this is about 4 grams of protein, 32 grams of carbs, 13 grams of fats, and surprisingly again, 1 gram of fiber. Total calories of 261. We're also gonna put 1.5 scoop of chocolate whey protein, or if you guys have cookies and cream whey protein, even better. And this is a total calories of 182 with 36 grams of protein, 5 grams of carbs, and 2 grams of fats. And the last thing we're gonna put here is 1 tablespoon of peanut butter, and this is 4 grams of protein, 3 grams of carbs, 8 grams of healthy fats. This is the only part of the ingredient that's healthy in fats. The rest is not really that healthy, but it doesn't matter when we're trying to gain weight. And 1 gram of fiber, total of 100 calories. Once all the ingredients is put in, we're gonna go ahead and blend it. Once it's finished blending, we're gonna pour it, but please note that it's not just 1 serving, it's 2 servings. So the cup that you guys see here, just times it by 2. That's the amount of servings that you get. Once it's nicely poured, we're not done just yet. We're gonna go back to the Ziploc and sprinkle the powdered Chips Ahoy, something like this. And just look how good that looks. Oh my God. I mean, this is how good it looks right now. Imagine drinking it, man. I mean, you already know how blessed I feel when I drink this. It's absolutely freaking delicious. The total calories that you get here is 1023, with the total macros being 54 grams of protein, 96 grams of carbs, 47 grams of fats, and 3 grams of fiber. And honestly, man, it's absolutely delicious. It really is delicious. And if you're a skinny guy and you drink this whole thing at once, you should be full for a maximum of an hour and a half. That's it. I don't think you should be full of more than 2 hours. An hour and a half max. But I do highly recommend you not to drink this all at one go, because you do feel pretty bad afterwards. I'm not gonna lie. You know, you don't feel the greatest. You feel great when you drink it, don't get me wrong, it's absolutely delicious, but then 20 minutes later, you honestly feel not the best, man. You feel pretty damn bad. So what I recommend you to do, instead of drinking the whole thing at once, is have 1 cup now, for example, and have the second one an hour later. You won't have that upset stomach or that bad feeling when you do that. You actually feel pretty darn nice. Or what you can do is to have 1 pre-workout and the other post-workout. That works fine as well. But here's your 1000 calorie Chips Ahoy protein shake. Easy to make, delicious, and honestly it's blessed, man. It's honestly a dessert. I treat this as a dessert. You know, having this after a workout to me is a little heavy, But afterwards, after like having dinner and having this, oh my God, it's freaking awesome, man. It's the best. But this shake will definitely guarantee you to gain some weight because it's fast calories, easy to drink, and it's 1,000 calories. But if you guys want more calorie meal plans, custom calorie meal plans, there's a lot of them on this channel. But if you're struggling with gaining weight and need a proper meal plan, check out my Fiverr page, DM me, and we can definitely get that sorted out because I do have that service now. So don't be afraid, link in the bio, DM me, and let's get something going on. If you guys enjoyed this Chips Ahoy video, then you guys will definitely enjoy this Oreo 1,000 calorie protein shake, man. This is a beast. If Oreo isn't your thing, then Cocoa Puffs or Nutella, these 1,000 calorie protein shakes will guarantee muscle building and weight gain. So these guys are incredibly delicious, all three of them. And if you guys want more of these videos, just don't forget to subscribe, and I shall see you guys in the next video. Peace.